This is Unit 1 Review Test, Question 8. You're to circle or find the fractions that are equivalent to 3/4. And I've gone ahead and written out A and B for you. You're comparing in A, 8/12 to 3/4. In order for them to be equivalent, if whatever I do to the numerator of this fraction, I have to do to the bottom to get the new fraction. For example, let me look, I see 12, 4 is a divisor of 12, or a factor of 12. I can take 12 and divide it by 3 to get to 4. So if that's true, if this is an equivalent fraction, then I would do the same to the top. And 8 divided by 3 is not 3. So this fraction is not equal because I would have to do the same to the top as to the bottom to rewrite that as an equivalent fraction. And I know I have to divide 12 by 3 to get to 4. And when I divide 8 by 3, I don't get 3. I get like a fraction. All right, let's try the next one. 15, can I divide 15 by something to get 3? And by the way, I can use my multiplications chart as well to find my 3's. Go down the multiplication chart for the multiples of 3, and you'll find that 15 is there. So that means I can divide 15 by one of those multiples, by 3. Or 15 divided by something else is going to give me 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3, because 3 times 5 is 15. Remember, multiplication is the same as division. So if you're struggling with thinking about, can I divide anything by 15 to get 3? Do the opposite. Start with 3 and say, can I multiply anything times 3 to get back to 15? And you get the same answer. 3 times 5 would get you to 15, or 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Now, in order for this fraction to be equivalent, I have to be able to do the same thing to the bottom. So without even looking, I'm going to put my divide 5, and I'm going to see if that's true. If it's true, then these are equivalent fractions. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Let me double check that by reading it backwards. 4 times 5 equals 20. Yes, those are equivalent fractions, because I can do the same to the top as to the bottom to get my new fraction. Let me do one more for you. It's letter D. I'm going to skip C. I'm going to go down to letter D. And I want you to notice here that this is an improper fraction, but I am only having to decide if it's equal to 3/4. So is there anything I can divide 4 by to get down to 3? Or can I take 3 and multiply it times something to get to 4? I can't. There's nothing I can divide 4 by, because the only divisors of 4 is 2. 4 divided by 2, and then, of course, 4 divided by 4 would be 1. But nothing, I can't do anything to 4 to make it a 3. I can't multiply or divide anything. And the same would be on the bottom. So these are not equivalent because I can't convert them by doing the same operation and the same problem to the top and the bottom.